This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Wix Studio. First, create your account and choose a starting point, whether it's a blank canvas or one of the many professional templates. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive workspace, which includes the powerful editor and various design panels. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth building process, allowing you to quickly grasp the platform's capabilities and begin your creative journey with confidence and clarity. Now, let's dive into design. Use the flexible drag-and-drop editor to precisely arrange elements on your pages. Crucially, customize sections with responsive design tools, ensuring your site looks fantastic on every screen size, from large desktops to small mobile devices. Apply global design styles, like fonts and colors, to maintain a consistent and professional brand identity across all 100% of your website. Next, enrich your site with compelling content. Easily integrate text, high-quality images, and engaging videos to tell your story. Implement powerful features such as an e-commerce store, a booking system, or a dynamic blog section to add functionality. Finally, connect your custom domain and configure essential search engine optimization settings to ensure your new website is easily discoverable by your target audience. Before going live, thoroughly preview your website on at least 3 different devices to catch any last-minute adjustments. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your site live and accessible to your global audience. After launch, explore Wix Studio's robust analytics and marketing tools to track performance, understand your visitors, and continuously grow your online presence effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.